Today, I'll walk you through how to highlight text in notebooks, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to emphasize important information in your notes so you can enhance your study sessions and improve retention. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote app. This is your digital notebook where you can organize your thoughts, ideas, and notes in a visually appealing way. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Once you're in the app, navigate to the page where you want to place the highlight. This is like finding the right canvas before you start painting. It sets the stage for your work. Next, look at the upper left part of the screen and click on the Home options. This is your main toolbar, where you'll find all the tools you need to customize your notes. Now, choose the word or sentence that you want to highlight. This is similar to picking out the most important points in a book. You want to draw attention to what matters most. After selecting your text, click on the highlighter icon. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears, allowing you to choose the color of the highlighter. Select a color based on your own preference. This is your chance to personalize your notes, making them not only functional, but also visually appealing. Repeat the same process for any other words or sentences you want to highlight. Think of this as layering different colors in a painting to create depth and focus. And there you have it. You've successfully highlighted text in your OneNote notebook. This simple technique can make a significant difference in how you interact with your notes, making it easier to review and study later. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.